Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I know again it's been a long hiatus. I do apologize. I've been having some medical issues, so it's better now. So I'm hoping to bring a more regular schedule, hopefully. Pray for me. So a little bit delayed in making my videos. I do apologize. So anywho, today's video we're going to be jumping into the FAB Fun box. So again, it's a freaking huge box and we're gonna jump right in. Not gonna lie, this was partially opened. I arrived prior to Christmas Day, so my siblings kind of laid claim to what they wanted, so I will mention the products. Again, some of them might be missing, but I will mention what was originally in my box and I will let you guys know. So thank you guys so much again, and let's continue on to the video. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Immediately you are greeted with a FabFitFun magazine. They always give you some sort of magazine and it has like all the stuff that you got in here. Majority of the time it has the stuff that you had in here. For instance, I know I got the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding. I got the speaker, the Bando Bluetooth speaker I got for $30, but again it's in my box. So that is actually hanging up in my shower already. So again, some of these products are, you know, out. So let's go ahead and go into the box, but I find it really cool that it's like done in a nice magazine style. So you can find out a little bit more about your products as well as just have something to read in the bathroom. But let's go right into it. The first thing that I was absolutely in love with is from, where are you? Unhide for Love Not Fur. This is a really nice like faux fur blanket, kind of throw blanket. It is so soft and I'm so happy I got to film this because now I can use it. So it is so freaking soft and I'm excited for that. It says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. I will get the retail values on all these in just a second. I just want to see what's in my box. That way I can collectively look in the magazine and tell you guys the prices. Again, like I mentioned before, this is empty. The Bando speaker we have, really nice quality. It is waterproof, so I can have this in the shower with me, which is great because it is a shower speaker. We have, again, as you guys, if you guys saw my previous video, I already reviewed this product. It is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette. My cousin was kind enough to give me one, so I do not need a second one, and this is gonna go ahead and go into the giveaway. And guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute. Guess what? Oh, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. It is a bath scrub from Frank Body. I don't know if it's like all over body. I assume so. It says original coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin, and like in like the corner here it shows a picture of a butt, so I'm assuming it's a butt scrub. So get naked and get wet. It says how to use me. Get naked, get wet in the shower, massage scrub over your entire body, reseal my waterproof bag, keep me in the shower, rinse your body, use me 2 to 3 times per week for best results. The ingredients are coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt. So that's quite interesting. I do still have a sugar scrub from my, I don't know if it was from FabFitFun or BoxyCharm, but I still have a sugar scrub. I'm gonna keep this in storage until I'm done with my sugar scrub. So quite interested to try this. So wow, we got a lot of items in here. This is definitely gonna make my life a heck of a lot easier. It is from it is a makeup eraser, basically. What it is essentially is it is a microfiber towel. And now I don't understand why I can't just go out and buy a microfiber towel, but it is a microfiber towel. Looks just like this. And you open it up, it's really freaking soft. And basically, essentially what you do is you wet this fiber, you rub it on your face, and it supposedly takes all your makeup off. So I'm interested to try that instead of using all my freaking where is it? Instead of using these, because these tend to like kind of like separate and break apart after a little while. So I'm definitely interested to try the microfiber towel, see how well it gets my makeup off, and how much of a pain it is to clean this. But that is a nice option. We have from Baddington Lashes. I do actually have these lashes. I believe I got it in a BoxyCharm box, but we have from Baddington Lashes the lashes in, I don't know what style it is. It doesn't really say style, I don't think. It just says Baddington Lashes, and here are the lashes right here. Nice and whimsical, not really like intense, and it does come with glue. I don't know how their glue works, so I will definitely try these on another time. I don't really put on lashes unless it's a special occasion. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, I did get moisturizing gloves. My mom already laid claim to them, so they're not in the box. And from Prep Rally, Prime and Prep Detangler. So this is from Dry, oh no, lies. It's from Dry Bar, which is a really great brand, and I do tend to get tangled. As you guys can tell, my hair is dyed, so it's very dead when it's dry. So this will definitely help me a big sum. So let's go ahead and put this box away, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into the MSRP prices of each item and let you guys know what I thought so far, considering I've had this box for about a week. Oh wait, no. How long ago was Christmas? I've had it for a while, let's just go with that. Alright, so using the magazine, I'm gonna tell you guys all the MSRP prices of each item. So the Unhide blanket, the Unhide Lil Marshmallow, it retails for $65. Then we have the Bando speaker, which retails for $30. I have the, what else do I have? No, none of that. Number 3B4A. Baddington Lashes, in the style Monroe 3D Silk Lashes and Glue Kit. That retails for $32. We have from Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding. Now I finally found out a retail value because I couldn't figure it out before. It retails for $38. Do I think that's worth it? Not really, but that is my own opinion. No, didn't get any of those face masks. Mahaba, no, I didn't get a Haba. So let's keep on looking, shall we? Oh my god, why are all the pages just freaking stuck together? Who cares? No one else is reading this but me. Okay, so we have the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, retails for $16.95. We have the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, retails for $23. The Makeup Eraser in Original Pink retails for $20. And the Incredible Nail Sink Thirsty Hand Mask Duo retails for $16. So I get 2 masks for moisturizing my hands, and again, my mom took that because she really wanted it. So that retails for $16. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the cost of everything in my box, calculate it and compare it to the price, and then I'll subtract it and tell you guys basically how much I got aside from what I paid. So give me one moment to calculate that, and with some YouTube magic, I'll be right. Alright, so now that I've calculated it all up, it retails altogether for $240. That's just a rough estimate of it. I rounded up, I rounded up obviously, and that's about $240. And for the subscription box is like $53 and change, so I rounded up to $54. So when I subtract the MSRP value from the cost of the box, altogether I'm getting $189 worth of products. That's not bad. So altogether I would say like I really do like the items in this box. There's a couple of things obviously I'm gonna give away or family late claim to already. So anywho, if you guys like this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and who knows, you might get the secret emoji of the week. And if you get the secret emoji of the week, then you get a chance of getting a mystery package. So keep updated, because who knows what's in my videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and as always, thank you for watching, and bye.